I feel great. You know why? Because I wanted the boys in the group to experience those kind of games. I reminded them. No? It's just happened natatambakan lang namin mga kalaban namin, but in the end, it's really our discipline and our defense who's nakakapunta kami doon. But today, parang umalis kami doon sa sistema namin. Dahil syempre, ngayon lang sila ng experience ng gano'n. Dikit, first quarter, second quarter. We got out of that system. Nagkanya-kanya kami. And, I mean, for me, I feel good para at least yung mga bata maintindihan nila na hindi ganitong kadali itong tournament na to. Kasi the past 3 games, feeling nila kaya-kaya mga kalaban. And of course, natural tendency ng mga players, ng team, most especially, na if they know that the things are getting, parang feeling nila madali yung game. It's easy for a player, for a team to get out of that system and discipline.
Going through the motions.
Well, going through the motions, and honestly, we won because of our talent. Remind ko yung mga players na we won because of our talents, not because of our system. And we don't want to do that. We don't like that. That's why I'm okay. I'm okay na na-experience namin ganyan. Instead na na-experience pa namin on Friday. Na baka matakot yung mga players tumira, di ba? But I applaud the players also, playing down the stretch. Alam nila kung ano yung gagawin, playing down the stretch. No? So, but, this kind of games can really prepare and mentally makapag-isip yung mga bata na hindi ganun kadali itong ganitong dali yung responsibility for playing for the national team. So it's a wake-up call for us. We have to take a look at this game and tingnan ko yung mga, yes, nanalo kami, pero gusto namin makita ko yung mga negative na nangyari sa amin in today's game. And we have to be better next game. But for now, I don't wanna take a look at the Friday's game. I want to focus first on Malaysia tomorrow. Hindi sinabi ko sa mga bata. A 50-point win or a 1-point win is still a win. Diba? Ganun talaga. That's why I feel good yan. Sinabi ko na mas okay na naranasan nyo to. Kasi moving forward, hindi naman ganitong klaseng game ma-encounter natin. So, as early as now, ma-experience sila itong ganito. So, but again, I applaud the players for playing their hearts out and playing down the stretch.
Sino yung nakita mo, coach, na medyo steady, na medyo nararattle yung iba, pero sino yung tingin mo nag-come lang?
Well, actually, lahat sila nararattle eh. Kasi nga, hindi sila sanay. No? So, nawala na yung pasahan. Naging one-on-one na eh. Talent na eh. Diba? So, yun yung gusto namin iwasan. Yun ang ayaw namin gawin. No? So, magkanya-kanya, dribble, diba? Dribble, tapos titira. Ano namin yun. We are winning because we are sharing the ball. We are playing defense, most especially. So, yun yung importante. So, we have to take a look at that, but we have to focus first on Malaysia. Yun yung gusto kong gawin muna. Forget about this game, focus on Malaysia.
Ano masabi mo sa mga bigs mo, coach? Prince, Gab, na parang sila yung naka-deliver ng crucial baskets?
Well, part of our defensive fundamentals is really getting the boards, boxing out and getting the boards. Actually, marami pa kami lapses with regards to the boxing out. Kahit malalaki kami, na-out-rebound kami. So, yun yung isa sa tinitingnan din namin. Siyempre, masaya rin dahil siyempre yung mga bigs namin, nandun naman yung effort eh. It's just, the discipline lang. And the consistency of boxing out and getting the ball. Yun lang ang kailangan para ma-achieve namin kung ano yung mga dapat namin ma-achieve dito sa tournament.
With this win, mas handa kayo bukas sa Malaysia?
Oo. Will be better for sure. And good thing, again, at least nanalo kami. Diba? A win is a win. di ba? Pero we will take a look at this game and learn and apply it tomorrow against Malaysia, and then we take a look at the game again in Indonesia. If Indonesia ngayon makalaban na, but for sure Indonesia makakalaban na.